ever wondered how you can use your flipper zero to scan someone's passport to find out their information, or you can emulate it to get through passes and stuff like that? Obviously, thank you to shout out to two of my friends helping me out with this video, and we'll be using the flipper zero today, and I'll be showing you guys how to use this to scan passports. Right, so let's turn on the flipper zero. We are on this flipper zero. We had unleashed, but now we are running Rogue Master from GitHub. Each time you turn it on, it will say crash. Press that, and it's apparently back to normal, so nothing really changes. So when you have this on, I'm going to press the middle button, and we're going to go to NFCs, right? Press NFC, and we're going to press read. And in a minute, as you can see, it wants to read, right? So let's say, I don't know, let's try a British passport first, right? Until it gets really nice, it's going to look for it. Wait, go put it down, it's easier. Scan up, green. Let's see, green. So now we can press more and emulate ID. And when we do this, right, we can go to anything. For example, I don't know if it will work, right, but this is just a proof of concept. This is all for educational purposes only. Don't use this in a malicious, harmful way, please. And when you go to gates on airports, it's like, oh, scan your passport, right, because there's an NFC chip. So possibly you can use the flipper zero after you scanned your passport. Do it only on your passport, not someone else's, because it's illegal. Only on your ones. And tap it, and maybe it will let you through. We don't know that, right? And if we go to info, it will literally give you all the information, what it supports, what it doesn't support, and all that gibberish, basically. Right. Press that one. Let's try reading the other passport, right? See what we can get. So we're going to place it, and we're going to move it up. Oh, that was quick. There we go. Unknown, because these passports, European passports, they have a encryption NFC key, if I am not wrong. Don't take my word for it. Hence why it says unknown, and it will not read it. So as you can see, we can only read info on it or save it, but we can't do an emulation on it like we did with this one, right? So either way, next video, we're going to show you how a normal, basically, my card's in there, right? How a normal wallet like this, without RFID protection, you can use your flipper zero to get the credentials. I'll see you guys in the next video, and stay tuned because this video is going to be a fun one for all of you.